Alright, so let me show you how to make the Samsung keyboard the default keyboard on your Samsung phone. So if you have any other keyboard working as your default keyboard, to revert back to Samsung keyboard, simply go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down until you get to General Management. Right here, tap on that. And then you should see Keyboard List and Default. So you can tap on that, and then you can see Default Keyboard. Tap on that, and you can see currently my Samsung keyboard is not my default keyboard. So what you need to do is find Samsung keyboard, select it, and when it says default keyboard is Samsung keyboard, that means the Samsung keyboard is now your phone's default keyboard. So now whenever you're in any app, whether it's Messages or the Notes app, the Samsung keyboard is going to be your default keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.